Can you imagine transforming simple wooden pallets into beautiful rustic shelves that fill every corner of your home with style and functionality? In this video, you'll discover 173 creative, inexpensive, and charming ideas for reusing this material and giving it a new life. Ready to get inspired and get started? Let's get started. Have you ever thought about combining the versatility of pallets with the functionality of shelving? This amazing duo has a lot to offer in terms of home decor and organization. Pallet racking is a super cheap option and can even be free if you're lucky enough to find a pallet lying around. Another great advantage of pallets is their sustainable and eco-friendly footprint. After all, they are completely reusable materials that can and should be returned to the production and consumption cycle, reducing the extraction of new raw materials and increasing waste. So let's learn how to do it and how to use this beauty in your home decor. The pallet shelf is a wild card. It can be any size, shape, and color you want. That's why it ends up being such a versatile option in decoration. And if you think that pallet shelves are only good for rustic environments, then you're going to change that mindset. This is because the pallet shelving acquired a modern status and became one of the favorites in contemporary decorations, especially those with an industrial, boho, and Scandinavian touch. But the pallet shelving also fits into more classic proposals, especially when what is intended is to offer an element that provides contrast and personality. In other words, there is no excuse not to use the pallet shelving. See below for tips and ideas on how to use pallet shelves in the most varied environments. Asterisk, asterisk. Pallet shelving for the kitchen, asterisk, asterisk. The kitchen is one of the favorite environments for pallet shelving. There, it stands out as a support for condiments, utensils, and dishes. With a few hooks, you can also hang tea towels and aprons on the shelf. To make it even prettier, add some plants and decorations. Asterisk, asterisk. Pallet shelf for bedroom, asterisk, asterisk. In the bedroom, the pallet shelf is a great ally for organizing jewelry, accessories, makeup, and as a holder for bags, belts, and coats. Perfumes and cosmetics are also welcome. The pallet shelf can be installed on a wall in the bedroom, but it can also be placed inside the closet, giving you another storage option. Asterisk, asterisk. Pallet shelf for bathroom, asterisk, asterisk. And in the bathroom, in this room of the house, the pallet shelf looks super decorative. But of course, you can also use it to organize toiletries like soap, towels, and cotton buds. Make room for air fresheners, a comic book, a plant, and scented candles. If you have a small bathroom, a good tip is to place the shelf on the wall above the toilet. Asterisk, asterisk. Pallet bookshelf. Asterisk, asterisk. Books look lovely on the pallet shelf alone. To make organization easier, you can create dividers in the shelf frame. Install it in the living room, bedroom, and wherever you see fit. Asterisk, asterisk. Pallet bar. Shelf asterisk, asterisk. The pallet shelf is a great option for organizing and displaying drinks and glasses in a bar. In fact, this type of shelving can easily replace floor furniture, freeing up space. As an addition, place LED strips to ensure indirect and cozy lighting. Asterisk, asterisk. Pallet plant shelf. Asterisk, asterisk. Anyone who loves plants knows that they need a special corner to grow beautiful and healthy, and the pallet shelf can be a great choice for your plants. Just be careful to make sure the slats are the same size as the pots, and remember to install them in a well-lit and airy place. Asterisk, asterisk. Pallet rack for store, asterisk, asterisk stores. And commercial spaces also have a lot to gain from pallet racks. In addition to being pretty, they enhance the environment and create a welcoming atmosphere for your customers. Not to mention that they are very economical and easy to make. Asterisk, asterisk. How to make a pallet rack, asterisk, asterisk. There are several models of pallet racks, but one thing is certain. They will all need the same materials with some small changes. So take note. and start separating everything you will need to make your pallet rack. Asterisk, asterisk. Materials required, asterisk, asterisk. 1 pallet, hammer, nails, saw, measuring tape, sandpaper for wood, paint of your choice, brush. Roll, asterisk, asterisk. Step by step. Guide to making a pallet shelf. Asterisk, asterisk. Start by cleaning and sanding the entire pallet. Remove any loose splinters and nails. It's also a good idea to sanitize it, especially if it comes from a trash can. To do this, simply dilute ½ a cup of bleach in a liter of water and spray this mixture onto the pallet. Using a sponge, spread it over the entire surface and let it dry. Next, cut the pallet according to the shelving design you want to make. Some models keep the original structure, others use only the slats. Remember that the shelf needs a base and a support to be installed on the wall. You must fix the wooden slats with nails. Next, sand the pallet once more and apply a coat of paint or varnish, depending on the finish you want to give it. Finally, hang it on the wall. Care and maintenance. Take note of some important tips below to keep your pallet shelf looking beautiful. The pallet is made of wood, usually pine, and therefore requires the same care as any other wood. That is, you will need to treat, paint, or varnish periodically to prevent natural wear and tear and protect the shelving from mold, mildew, and termite attacks. Avoid placing the pallet shelving in open places so that rainwater does not damage it. Humid environments, such as bathrooms, for example, require extra reinforcement when it comes to maintaining the pallet shelving. For daily cleaning, use only a cloth moistened with water and neutral detergent. Rustic shelves recycled from pallets are not only an economical option, but also a perfect way to give your home a unique touch, full of personality and with an unmatched natural charm. Each piece can tell a story, from the origin of the pallet to how you transformed it into a functional work of art. In addition, these types of projects not only beautify your spaces, but also contribute to caring for the environment by reusing materials. What did you think of this selection? Go ahead and create your own and bring your home to life with these ideas. Don't forget to leave us your comment with your favorite and share the video to inspire more people. See you in the next video.